Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can know the time where the Kohana volcano will be erupt in Fish It update. So if you want to catch the magma sharks or the magma whale, you need to be there that when the Kohana volcano erupts. And the eruptions here in the new updates, it is explained that the Kohana events, the eruptions happens every 4 hours. That will create temporary lava boosted zones, so you can go to the area to try to catch the secret fish from the volcano. So there are two ways, actually one way that you can do to find the time. First, you need to go to the Kohana Islands, and here go near the entrance of the Kohana volcano. There will be this board that will show you the time of the volcano eruptions time. As you guys can see, 20 minutes left until the volcano erupts. This is the first board, and there is also another board inside the Kohana volcano. So if you're already inside the Kohana volcano, you can easily track it by going to the second board in here. So the second board is located near the fish merchant, so you can just go down in here and down again and go see on the right side in here. This is the second board. Now it has 19 minutes left. So that's all for me. That's how you can know the volcano eruptions times. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things.